Ochini's Fancy Yacht Tour.
Fancy yacht tour. Here we have the plague. We make people walk through if they do wrongdoings to Chef Ochini. Now come inside to the bottom deck. Yo, I'm your #1 fan. I found you again. Welcome aboard. Thank you for inviting me, Chef. He invited me. Yeah. If you look down here, there's a glass view to see the water. Now come upstairs. Up here is what I like to call the party deck. Yo, can I get the Chef OC? We out here in Chef OC around here, you feel what I'm saying? We're gonna do a little chip chop chop chip. Here's a private food stand. Big fan of Ochini. Ochini! Over there, the mountains of Jordan, and over there are the mountains of Egypt. And here is the land of Israel.
Getting lit on Ochini's boat.
I need your phone. I need to get a picture of Wexley.
Chini,